Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, so let's keep going with our analysis of the cryptocurrencies. Today guys, just brief look, just because we need actually to only intraday charts. On a weekly chart, I'm just would like to say that it is interesting how this week will close. It's just because potentially we could get the bullish reversal week, and that might be important. It's just because forming of the bullish reversal week could give us hope that market intends to proceed higher. Maybe even challenge the previous top, just because market has created new lows. If it closes above the top of the previous week, that might be important signal at least for trading on the daily and intraday charts on the next week. And that's the thing that we intend to keep an eye on. And on Monday we again will check this moment. But this is the only interesting thing on the longer term charts. On the lower time frame, we are just going with the scenario that we discussed on Monday. And we said that around 38 area, theoretical market could show some bounce. It could try to show a bit deeper retracement. It's just because if you remember of course, Monday we've got butterfly on the 4 time frame chart, and market was near the support on the 618 support on the 4-hour time frame chart as well. That potentially creates the background for a possible deeper retracement to the upside. But we have warned you that before taking any position on the long side, trying to get the pattern. Do not take position without the pattern, because overall sentiment on the market is not really positive. In the current moment, you could see some relief as on the interest rates. The 10-year bonds showing a bit retracement. Yields should turn to some retracement. Dollar index also showing some pause in upward direction. That creates some positive background for deep retracement on the Bitcoin as well. But of course, it is not time yet to speak about the major breakout and turning of the tendency. This is currently just the chance for a bit deeper retracement. As a confirmation of our words, you can see market right from the 38, approximately 38 area has formed bullish reversal bar and trying to show upward continuation. So what pattern currently we could consider if you intend to go long? First of all, on the 4 time frame chart, you could see, as we said, that market stands at the support area that we discussed previously. It's 38.78. It's major support. Has tested it. That was the butterfly, if you remember, that we discussed last time. And currently, you can see that market here is forming multiple grabbers. So theoretically, market could either keep going higher right from there, or just challenge this top before deeper retracement. That's what we have on the 4 time frame chart. But by my opinion, is more reliable. Although these grabbers also could be used, but I think I just like to follow a bit more solid patterns that is more extended. And from that standpoint, personally, I like this one. So we actually give a hint last time about this. We said, let's keep watching. If market shows the bounce, maybe butterfly becomes the part, that was the butterfly, and maybe it becomes the part of the head and shoulders, which very often happens. And currently, it seems that things are going to this scenario. So market has formed the butterfly, shows nice upper bounce right to the resistance. Now, we could wait for forming on the right arm around 40 even, approximately, which is also 618 support for this upward direction, and consider possible taking long position with the upward continuation. Why this scenario is preferable? It's just because despite the chances exist on the immediate upward breakout, if you take position here and then you get action against you to the 40 even, that will be not very pleasant thing to deal with. But try and take position around this area lets you to place very tight stop, so you need to place it just right below the support area, because market should not start dropping back to the head. It will be clear sign of weakness. Market has to stay about it to keep bullish context and start upward action. So this is a bit better choice from the risk-reward ratio point of view. But if you still would like to, you could, for instance, take minor position right here based on the grabbers that we have, suggesting that maybe indeed this here might be the direct breakout. That at least lets you to be possessed on the market, whatever scenario will happen. And then, if we will be correct and market indeed keep going lower, add the bulk of your position right at this major entry point. This is also could be considered. That choice is up to you. So, but in general, as you can see, currently we're just keep watching for this pattern and dealing with this minor hand shows on the hourly chart today and probably on Monday as well.